All right, so this will hopefully be a really quick video, but I just want to go over a few things, a few quick reminders as we are finding slope from a graph. So on our last video, we went over the fact that we are going to find two perfect corners and then count rise over run to find the slope, and we need to make sure that it's simplified. So this first problem was from your notes. We already did that. So this is the second problem on your note sheet that I want to go over the process there. So we were to find two corner points. This is a corner point down here, and then here's another perfect corner point, and then up here is another perfect corner point, okay? So the first thing that you should notice is that this has a positive slope because it's going uphill, okay? So we have to, for every problem, write down that it has a positive slope, okay? Then we need to count our rise over our run. I'm going to use the furthest, I'm going to do two problems. I'm going to use 2 points that are close together and then the points that are further away. So I'm going to use this middle point and this point up here, all right? So I have to move up 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks to get to Grandma Street, and then go over 1, 2, 3 blocks to get to her house. So remember, we always write rise, which is our y, over our run, which is our x. So we had to go up 4 and then over 3. Now, the next thing that you guys should be doing is making sure that that can't reduce. So you should be typing in 4ABC3. When you type in 4ABC3 into your calculator, it gives you a mixed number. Guys, remember that I said that you have to write your slope as a fraction. A mixed number is not a fraction, okay? So remember, we went over how to change these mixed numbers back into improper fractions. If you hit the second button and then the ABC button again, and then hit enter, it'll switch it so that it's in the simplest improper fraction as possible. Okay, so our final answer here is going to be 4 over 3. And then I want to show you guys this again using the points that are further away from each other. So I'm going to use this point down here at the bottom and then this point all the way up here so that you can see how it reduces in your calculator. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks to Grandma Street, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks to get to her house. So rise over our run, and then we should be punching in 8 ABC 6, but it's going to give us this mixed number again. We can't have a mixed number, so I know that I'm going to hit second and then the ABC button again, and look, it reduces it to 4 over 3, just like, okay, so you have to make sure that it's simplified, but you also have to make sure that it's written as a fraction, okay? It cannot be as a mixed number. It has to be written as a fraction or a whole number. All right, so I'm going to do 2 more with you really quick so that you know on the worksheet what I expect to see from you answer-wise. So on your worksheet will be a whole bunch of graphs. Every problem needs to have 2 answers. The first answer needs to be what type of graph is it? So notice that this graph is going downhill. So I would say that this has a negative slope. And yes, you have to write that. Negative slope. Okay. then you need to actually calculate the slope. So you need to find your perfect corner points on each graph. Here's one. There's one. There's another one. And that's it. Okay, so there's 3 on this one. Okay, and then we actually need to give our rise over run answer. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to go down 3 blocks to Grandma's house. And since I went down, that's a negative. And then I went 1, 2, 3, 4. And since I went to the right, 4 would be a positive. So we would have negative 3 over 4. You can either write the negative on the 3, or you can write the negative in the front. Either answer is acceptable. So there should be 2 answers, the written and then the actual slope. Okay? All right, so I'll show you this other one, and then you'll be working on your worksheet. Okay? All right, so on this one, you can hardly see them, but there are perfect points already picked. Okay? I notice that this line is going up and to the right, so that means it's going to have a positive slope. So then all I have to do is count. Okay? So I'm going to actually go from this point all the way to that far point. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And yes, please write the numbers on your triangle. So this has to be drawn in so that I know what you counted. And then we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks to Grandma's house. So I would go 9, because that's my rise, over 6, which is my run. So then I have to make sure it's reduced. 9 ABC 6. So I got a mixed number. Can't have a mixed number, guys. So you're going to hit second ABC, and that reduces to 3 over 2. So my final answers are the written positive slope and then the actual rise over run slope. Both have to be on your answer sheet.